Hi everybody, I'm Sarah from Sarah's Craft Shack. I decided, and I guess was forced into in a way, to make a video of me doing a perler bead creation. I have decided to do a Freddy Krueger project because my husband is obsessed with Freddy Krueger. So I've decided to make this project. I'm going to take you through the steps of what I do and how I do it, and hopefully you'll want to buy some. So his hat starts 16 in to my pegboard. So that's where I'm going to start. So, because my husband is obsessed with Freddy Krueger. And he's a weirdo, but that's okay. This is going to be like the longest project I've ever done. Or the quickest, I'm not really sure. Excuse my commentary, this is just me talking to myself out loud because I always talk to myself whenever I'm making something. And excuse myself, I'm right-handed, so he decided to stand on my left side, my right side, so it's easier said than done to see. Project is done. I didn't do the Never Sleep Again, but I probably will in another one. Now comes the fun part of ironing. This is called wax paper. I just place it. Oh crap! That happens occasionally. I lose beads. Just place it over my project. I have my iron already turned on. I just need to heat it up. So I turn it the whole way to the biggest number, just because it gives me the most heat effect. And I just press it. Now obviously you have to leave it there for a couple of seconds for it to make sure that it, because if you try to move and it moves, then you are SOL. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I don't think it is. Crap. I hope those stay on. Those are, but these probably will not. Now I just go over again with the tip just to kind of see where my even, where my non-even should say. Like if it looks like they didn't heat. Give it a couple of, I usually wait until it's the paper's starting to come off before I will pull it off of the boards, because it heats the boards up in the process. So, and my boards are already warping. So I need to get new boards. But I won't touch this for a couple of minutes until it. So, final project is Freddy. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas that you would like me to do, you can shoot me a message or an email. My email will be in the description box. If there's anything you want to see me do, let me know. I have an account on Facebook as Sarah's Craft Shack, where you can find my prices, or if it's a custom project like this, would probably be about $6 to do. I used 3 boards, so that's about $2 a board. So it would be about $6 for that, for a custom project. I can give you a deal if you order like multiple ones at a time. Just let me know what you want. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends and family. Joey did not make me do this. I did this on my own accord. Just so that's a disclaimer. So